Imagine a world where you can be anyone, anywhere, at any time. A world where reality blends seamlessly into the digital, opening up endless possibilities. This is the Metaverse, and today, we're diving headfirst into this mind-bending world. We will explore the secrets, the tech, and the impact of this digital frontier. Get ready to redefine reality itself. The emergence of the Metaverse. The Metaverse, a term that's been floating around for years, isn't just a concept anymore. It's a digital revolution, and its emergence is as fascinating as it is groundbreaking. Back in the 1990s, the idea of a metaverse was first coined by Neal Stephenson in his sci-fi novel Snow Crash. Little did he know that his imaginative creation would start taking shape in the real world. Fast forward to the early 2000s, and virtual worlds like Second Life were popping up, offering a glimpse into the possibilities of interconnected digital spaces. But it wasn't until the 2010s that the metaverse began to gain real momentum. In 2014, Facebook, now Meta Platforms, acquired Oculus VR for $2 billion, signaling a major bet on virtual reality as a key component to the metaverse. This move was a game changer and catalyzed the development of VR technology. By 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the demand for virtual interactions, and companies like Zoom saw massive growth. This highlighted the need for more immersive and engaging digital experiences, pushing the metaverse even further into the mainstream conversation. In 2021, the metaverse went under the spotlight when Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook would rebrand itself as Meta, with a mission to build the metaverse. This announcement came with a commitment of $10 billion in investment over the next several years. Today, major tech players are investing heavily into the metaverse, and the market is estimated to be worth over $400 billion by 2027. It is no longer a futuristic concept, but a rapidly emerging digital landscape that's poised to reshape how we live, work, and play. Building blocks of the metaverse. To understand the metaverse, let's dive into its foundational components, each playing a crucial role in creating this immersive digital universe. Number 1. Virtual reality. At the heart of the metaverse lies VR technology. VR transports users into computer-generated environments using headsets like Oculus Rift and HTC Vive. These headsets provide a 360-degree immersive experience with lifelike visuals, making you feel like you're inside the digital world itself. Number 2. Augmented reality. AR enhances the real world with digital overlays. Devices like Google Glass and mobile apps like Pokemon Go use AR to blend digital elements seamlessly with your surroundings. In the metaverse, AR has the potential to bridge the gap between the virtual and physical worlds, offering real-time information and interactive experiences. Number 3. Blockchain and NFTs. Blockchain technology is the backbone of digital ownership in the metaverse. It's a secure, decentralized ledger that verifies and records ownership of digital assets. Non-fungible tokens represent unique digital items such as digital art, collectibles, or virtual real estate. This ensures that users have genuine ownership and provenance of digital assets within the metaverse. Number 4. Artificial intelligence and digital twins. AI provides a pivotal role in making the metaverse dynamic and responsive. AI-driven characters and environments adapt and interact with users, creating a sense of realism. Digital twins are virtual replicas of real-world objects, enabling users to interact with familiar objects in a virtual environment. These elements collectively enhance the immersive experience of the metaverse. Number 5. Interoperability. The metaverse isn't confined to a single platform. It's a network of interconnected digital spaces. Interoperability ensures that users seamlessly move between different virtual worlds, taking their assets and avatars with them. This is crucial for creating a cohesive metaverse experience. Number 6. User-generated content. The metaverse thrives on user creativity. Users contribute by building structures, designing avatars, and generating digital content. Platforms like Roblox and Minecraft demonstrate how UGC fosters community and individual expression within the metaverse. Number 7. Privacy and security. In the metaverse, privacy and security are paramount. Advanced encryption methods, decentralized identity systems, and secure protocols protect user data and ensure a safe environment for exploration. Just like in the physical world, users need to have confidence in the safety of their digital presence. These detailed components form the Metaverse's foundation, turning it into a rich, complex digital realm where users can explore, create, interact, and own their digital experiences. These elements work in tandem to blur the lines between reality and the digital frontier. The ecosystem. At the heart of the Metaverse are social platforms like Meta, Decentraland, and Roblox. These platforms offer shared virtual spaces where people can gather, work, play, and create together, regardless of their physical location. It's like a digital version of your favorite hangout spot. Within this virtual world, virtual economies are flourishing. Users engage in buying, selling, and trading digital assets using cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Whether it's investing in virtual real estate or owning unique digital collectibles, these economies are redefining how we perceive and value digital assets. Other than these, users have the power to create, customize, and shape their digital environments, avatars, and experiences. It's a world where your creativity knows no bounds, much like building with virtual Lego blocks. It has given rise to a virtual real estate market. People buy, sell, and develop virtual lands. And businesses establish their presence in these digital realms. Retail experiences are also evolving, with virtual showrooms and shops offering a wide array of unique digital products and experiences. As the Metaverse expands, privacy and security become paramount. Users must have confidence that their data and identities are safeguarded while navigating these virtual spaces. Advanced encryption, decentralized solutions, and stringent security measures are essential to ensure a secure digital environment. It has already transformed the entertainment and gaming industries. It's a realm where you can attend virtual concerts, participate in live events, and enjoy gaming experiences that feel more immersive than ever before. Artists and creators now have a global stage to showcase their talents. Meta is rewriting the rules of education and work. Virtual classrooms and offices provide seamless integration of physical and virtual experiences. Learning and collaboration happen in immersive environments, transcending geographical limitations. Even the healthcare sector is entering the Metaverse. Virtual clinics, telemedicine, and support groups offer innovative ways to address healthcare needs. The Metaverse presents opportunities for medical training, therapy, and groundbreaking research. While the Metaverse brings boundless possibilities, it also raises ethical concerns. Issues like digital addiction, privacy infringements, and the digital divide must be addressed as the Metaverse continues to expand. It's essential to navigate these challenges responsibly. In short, its ecosystem is dynamic and ever-evolving. It's not merely a technological advancement, it's a cultural and societal shift. Looking ahead, we anticipate deeper integration into our daily lives, reshaping how we connect, work, and engage with the world. Ethical considerations. But at the end of the day, it's vital to acknowledge and understand the complex challenges and ethical considerations that come with this digital realm. One of the foremost concerns in the Metaverse is ensuring equitable access for everyone. The digital divide, rooted in disparities in access to technology and the internet, can further deepen inequalities in this new landscape. It's crucial that we work to bridge these gaps, making the Metaverse accessible to all, regardless of their background or location. The immersive nature of the Metaverse can be both captivating and potentially addictive. As we spend more time in this digital realm, concerns about digital addiction and its impacts on mental health emerge. Striking a balance between digital engagement and well-being becomes a central challenge. In short, data is currency. Users generate vast amounts of personal data as they navigate virtual spaces, interact with others, and conduct business. The ethical aspects of data ownership, control, and production come to the forefront. Users should have confidence that their data is secure and that they maintain ownership and agency over their digital identities and assets. The bottom line is, the Metaverse is in its infancy, with some companies diving in while others step back. Disney and Microsoft closed their Metaverse units in early 2023, and even Meta scaled back its efforts. However, The metaverse's potential is akin to the internet's evolution. It's not science fiction, it's already here.